Welcome to Go Ham and Program. In this episode, we're going to make some smart flashcards using Python. What we'll do is we will practice some Spanish words, and to do this, we'll place different topics into separate files. So one file will be words for food, and then another file will be words for colors, and so on. What we'll do is we will go through each of those files and practice each of the terms in a randomized order. If we know the correct answer, then we'll move on to the next word. However, if we don't, then we'll put the unknown word into its own list, which after we finish studying that topic's terms, we will go ahead and study the unknown terms so that we get more repetition on the ones that we don't know. Let's get into it. We'll start by importing the two modules we'll need. Both of them are in Python's standard library, so you won't need to pip install anything. Import random and import OS. Random will be for choosing random choices, and OS will be for working with your computer's operating system and finding files on your computer. Now we'll create a custom function which we will use to grab a random term from a list of study terms. Then we'll remove that term from the list so that we don't study it again. We'll use global variables so that we can access the terms outside of the function. Now we'll access a folder on our computer using the folder's path. I named my folder Go Ham Study, which I have located on my desktop. Here are the files located in this folder. A list of the names of these file paths are stored as a list in the variable files. The only file names that we'll want are text files, so we'll remove any files that aren't txt. Now we will shuffle the list of files so that each time we run the program to study, we will have a different order of study material. After that, we'll create a full path for each file by placing the folder path and a / before the file name. Then we'll open up each of these files and read the contents. Since each term is separated by a comma, we'll split up the file contents by a comma, letting us have a clean list of terms. Now we'll remove any terms which might be blank and get the total number of terms in the list. Now we'll go through our list of terms to study, inputting a Y for yes or N for no. If we don't know the term and put an N in, then we'll go ahead and place it into an unknown list, which we will study again and keep moving through that unknown list of terms until we know all of the correct answers. Once we've studied all of the terms in all of the files of this folder and restudied any of the terms we didn't know, then our studying is complete. We can print off some nice encouragement, and then we'll be able to actually run this program. Thanks so much for watching. The full code is in the link in the description below, and see you next time.